negi duogo giwacho ni IBC no chiwo mana order mar printing mar form 34A. Form 34B IBC wacho ni will be generated locally. Yet form 34B is also a very essential form mar transmission mar angono mar electoral results. Because once in form 34A osebedo generated, obedo filled and signed the authorized officers, they need to transmit results mantie form 34A. Then result ma form 34A bedo capture the form 34B. Koro mano kelo security issues and the issue of accountability on results ma bedo captured a form 34B. Because preparedness mar election dwaro ni every form that is going to be used maybe tigo a year ni nyaka bed gi security features. Koro security features mar form 34B ni gin mage to gibedo printed kanye to ngama the print gi
nikech wang'eyo kata ne